it's day one of the Pretty Rich Instagram challenge. Are you ready? You can do anything for just 5 days. Just 5 days. But you know what? If you do it with me, you can do it better, stronger, faster, harder. All the adjectives. Just saying. So I've crafted each and every prompt to up your engagement, followers, and honestly, my ultimate goal for you guys is to up your bookings, to make actual transactions happen. Trust me, I want you to make money just as much as you do. So let's get on with it. Day one is story. Today's prompt is story. I'm just gonna start off strong, okay? This is my best tip, one of my best tips. I built $1 million beauty business learning how to do one thing over and over again well, and that is storytelling. Today, post a picture of yourself, and in the caption, write the story of how you came to do the job that you're doing. What was the story behind it? No need to make it long, but I definitely want you to cover a brief description of the lows and ultimately the highs. Tell us how you're the hero of your own movie. Perhaps you took a chance at this career. Maybe you left a career that you hated, and now you're in a career that you love. Were there naysayers when you first started? Why is this important? Aside from this being fun, there's actually a strategy behind it. The new Instagram algorithm actually only shows 10% of your followers what you post on your feed, unless there's early engagement in the form of comments. Not likes, comments, unique characters. Why? Instagram and Facebook are full of robot accounts, so they have redesigned this algorithm to reward actual human activity. Activity that a robot cannot duplicate. That's why unique comments, sincere ones, are the ones that push your post to be discovered by the other 90% of your followers. So storytelling is important. Storytelling is a moneymaker, and I can prove it. Hollywood is worth billions. They're worth $1 zillion, Hollywood. Okay, stories are how people fall in love. Stories are how people learn to trust you. If you tell your story, it makes you real. You're not just a before and after photo that a robot could have done for you. Tap into your humanity. And I challenge you today to post a photo of yourself and the story of how you came to be where you are today. You don't have to air out all your dirty laundry, okay? It doesn't have to be elaborate. Your grammar doesn't even need to be perfect. Trust me, it really doesn't, because ultimately, people care about how you make them feel, not how perfect your grammar was. That's not what was memorable. That concludes today's challenge. For more information on how to grow your beauty business and get that super important entrepreneurial support that you also need, check out SheilaBella.com. Or you can download my podcast on iTunes. I have a lot of free information and value there. Just type in Pretty Rich Podcast in your purple iTunes app, or look for us on YouTube, Spotify, or SoundCloud. And today, don't forget to use the hashtag PrettyRichInstagramChallenge so I can find you.